Hello everyone, and welcome to Peaceful Garden. In our everyday lives, there are many things we usually think of as nothing more than waste. But when we know how to reuse them, they can become surprisingly useful for our gardens. One of those things is the banana peel. After eating a banana, instead of throwing the peel into the trash, many people save it, soak it in water, and use that water to feed their plants. Banana peel water is especially popular among people who grow flowering plants like Hoyas. Many gardeners use it because they hope it can help their plants grow stronger and support healthy flowering. But is banana peel water really as beneficial for plants as people often say? What nutrients are actually found in banana peels? What do these nutrients do for plants? And why do so many gardeners choose to reuse such a simple kitchen waste? In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at all of these questions. We'll find out what banana peel water can really do for Hoya plants. And more importantly, how we can understand its benefits without believing exaggerated claims. So, let's start with the most important question. What is actually inside a banana peel that plants can use? When people talk about using banana peels for plants, the nutrient mentioned most often is potassium. Potassium is one of the three major nutrients plants need, along with nitrogen and phosphorus. Plants need potassium for many important processes. It helps regulate water inside plant cells, supports the opening and closing of stomata, helps transport nutrients through the plant, and supports the plant's ability to use nutrients effectively. In simple terms, nitrogen is often associated with healthy leaf and stem growth, while potassium plays an important role in helping the plant regulate and maintain many of its internal processes. Banana peels also contain small amounts of other minerals. However, the amount of these nutrients is not always the same. It can vary depending on the type of banana, how ripe it is, how it was grown, and many other factors. And this is the first thing we need to remember. Banana peels contain nutrients, but they are not a complete fertilizer. That is why banana peel water should not be used as a complete replacement for a plant's normal nutrition. This is one of the main reasons banana peel water is often mentioned in natural plant care tips. When a plant is actively growing or preparing to enter its flowering stage, it needs a balanced supply of nutrients to support its normal processes. Potassium is involved in many processes inside the plant and plays an important role in overall plant health. That is why potassium is commonly found in fertilizers made for flowering plants and fruiting plants. But there is one important distinction we need to make. Potassium is not a magic switch that makes a plant flower. A Hoya cannot simply receive more potassium and suddenly produce lots of flower buds. For a Hoya to flower, it also needs enough light, healthy roots, suitable growing conditions, and balanced nutrition. So, a more accurate way to understand it is this. Potassium can support important processes inside the plant, but flowering depends on the plant's overall growing conditions. It may sound simple, but this is an important point if we want to understand what banana peel water can really do. There is one very practical reason. Banana peels are usually thrown away. Instead of sending them straight to the kitchen trash, many people reuse them as a simple homemade source of organic nutrients. It costs almost nothing, and the ingredient is very easy to find. More importantly, the idea is based on a real principle. Plant materials contain minerals that the plant absorbed while it was growing. When banana peels are cut into small pieces and soaked in water, some water-soluble compounds may move into the water. Gardeners can then use this water to water their plants. Of course, exactly how much potassium actually ends up in the water depends on how the peels are prepared, how long they are soaked, and many other factors. So we cannot say that a certain amount of banana peel will always produce a specific amount of potassium. But as a simple way to reuse kitchen waste in the garden, the idea is easy to understand. This is the most important part. If someone says, Just use banana peel water and your Hoya will definitely flower. We should be careful with that claim. The flowering process is much more complicated than that. A Hoya needs suitable light in order to flower well. It needs a healthy root system to absorb water and nutrients. The growing medium should be well draining and airy, so the roots can get enough oxygen and avoid staying too wet. The plant also needs several different nutrients, not just potassium. And most importantly, the plant needs to be mature and in the right condition to produce flower buds. So, if banana peel water has any benefit, it is better to think of it as a nutritional supplement, rather than the main reason a plant flowers. This also explains why some people use banana peel water and notice healthier growth, while others may not see much difference. The two plants may simply be growing under very different conditions. This is a common mistake when using kitchen scraps to care for plants. Many people think, banana peels are natural, so the more I use, the better. But plants do not work that way. A solution that is too concentrated, or used too often, may disturb the balance around the roots. Also, if banana peels are soaked under unsuitable conditions, the mixture may ferment, develop an unpleasant smell, and become very different from the simple nutrient solution people originally intended to make. For this reason, we should not simply pour poorly prepared organic mixtures into plant pots without thinking about how they may affect the roots. Plants do not need as much nutrition as possible. They need the right amount and a balanced supply. Instead of treating it as a natural flowering booster, think of banana peel water as a simple homemade organic supplement. The banana peels can be washed, cut into small pieces, and soaked in water. The peels can then be removed, and the water can be used in moderation. There is no need to make the solution extremely strong, thinking that a more concentrated mixture will make the plant grow faster. And there is no need to use it constantly just because you want your Hoya to flower sooner. If you are growing Hoyas, what matters more is still proper light, a well-draining growing medium, correct watering, healthy roots, and balanced nutrition. Once these basic conditions are right, adding a simple homemade nutrient source can make more sense as part of your overall plant care routine. After looking at everything, we can understand banana peel water in a much simpler way. Banana peels contain potassium and some other minerals. That is why many gardeners choose to reuse them. Potassium plays an important role in many plant processes and is often associated with healthy plant growth, flowering, and fruit development. But this does not mean banana peel water can replace a complete fertilizer or guarantee that a Hoya will flower. If your plant does not get enough light, has weak roots, poor drainage, or an unsuitable watering routine, adding banana peel water is unlikely to solve the problem. On the other hand, if your plant is already healthy and growing in good conditions, a simple homemade organic supplement can be an interesting addition to your plant care routine. And perhaps the most valuable thing about this method is not the idea that banana peels can magically turn a non-flowering Hoya into a plant covered in flowers within a few days. The real value is much simpler. Something that would normally be thrown away in the kitchen can be reused in a thoughtful way and brought back into the garden. And that is what makes banana peel water such an interesting and popular natural plant care method. So, banana peel water is not a miracle solution, but it can be a simple way to add some nutrients to your plant. Remember, healthy growth and flowering depend on much more than potassium. Good light, healthy roots, proper watering, and balanced nutrition are all important. Use banana peel water as a supplement, not as a replacement for proper plant care. I hope this video helped you understand why banana peels are so popular among gardeners. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to Peaceful Garden for more simple and practical plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.